Top secret. Okay. Top secret this week, we have 2 videos past us, so we're going to play those. The first one is, we alluded to earlier, it's one of my favorite new products. It is Gizmo. Take it away.
I see you.
It's the glowing eye of judgment.
Oh,
no, it's...
Looks like it says Gizmo.
Yeah, it says Gizmo. This is an add-on. It looks a lot like a Halloween, right? You're thinking, you've seen this eyeball before? But it's on a Circuit Playground Express.
Oh, it's an accessory for Circuit Playground Express.
And it's got these really cool SMT nuts. These are a little short. I'm getting longer ones. But what's neat is you pick and place these nuts, and then you can screw into them. So you see they solder in flush. They solder in through the board. And then you don't have to have, like, you know, screw standoff nut because it just screws directly into the board. They're only a couple of cents a piece. Very cool invention. And then it's cool because they're mechanical and electrical connections to the Gizmo, which you see here. Comes with a 1.44-inch color TFT. Of course, you still have that battery charging, the battery connector on the Circuit Playground Express. And then you can connect a speaker if you want. This isn't doing anything, but there's a speaker connection. So you could play audio. And both sides, there's 2 stemma connectors. So let's say you wanted to, you know, have some NeoPixels or a servo, you could plug in strips really easily. So it's a Gizmo for Circuit Playground Express.
Okay, and then this is what everyone's been asking about, tweeting about, making charts about. Here it is.
My badge.
And what is this?
Oh, you caught me playing games. But it's actually also work because I don't do anything for fun. This is the new Pi badge. Here you can see the nice silk screen. It's a credit card sized Circuit Python board with a SAMD51. But I thought I'd have some fun porting some other game platforms to it. So this is Arju Boy. This is running their Arju Castle, I think is the name, or Castle Boy. It's kind of a Castlevania clone. And it just draws the OLED as if it was in the center of the screen here, and you can still use all your buttons and stuff, and then you can die. And here's another game. This one is Circuit Dude, and it's kind of tough, actually. You play a little robot that has to place chips in sockets, which is kind of what I do for a living. But now I can play as a game. And again, it draws in the center of the screen, and you get A-B buttons. And there's a speaker and battery charging, and it's a feather header, so this board's almost done, but I thought it would be a badge that you could also play little games on. So Arju Boy is a great way to do that. You can pick an Arju Boy up at the Adafruit shop, support them.
Okay, and last up we have 2 airlift boards. These are airlift shields.
Yeah, 2 sides of 1 shield. Come and see in.
Yeah. Okay.
That's it. We're out.
And with that is our, well, first off, back in the vault.
Back in the vault.
And with that, there's our special edition midday